Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of My Tour Tales. I'm Eric Stone. Today we're going to be going to the top of Huahini, to the bottom of Huahini, and hopefully see a live show at this cool resort at the end of the anchorage. See you at the end. Alright, so we're saying goodbye to our first anchorage here in Huahini. We're heading down to the south of the island, all the way to the bottom, to go to a Tahitian dance festival and dinner tonight. And we're taking the channel all the way around the island. As you see, the island is circled, surrounded by reef and giant waves. And then we'll just hug the coast. As long as we stay on the outside of those red markers to our port, we're safe and stay off the reef. So I found my new sailboat. And if you see the dinghy, it's actually bigger than my last fishing boat. That is a beautiful Italian style sailboat with the British flag on there, I think. What flag is that? As you can see, we got the cruising outpost posse following behind us. Probably Jesse's boat and maybe Darren's boat, I'm not sure. Darren's probably not on there because he's probably still sleeping. These waves are freaking perfection. Look at that break. So if you look at the point, you see gigantic waves. Those are massive waves. I earlier saw a manta ray jump out of the water, but I wasn't able to get it on film. I'm gonna keep trying though. So I'm testing my my microphone. See if the dead cat's working with the mic. So we got to the Mahana Resort. We're having a Tahitian dinner and dance here tonight, and I'll show a little backdrop to the resort. It'll be kind of cool. This is the entrance to the resort, and when you first come in, there's the bar. And I'm not sure how they knew, but they gave us the table right by the bar. And this place is pretty lush for Huahini. So we're at table 23, and I guess this is where dinner served. I'm not sure. I think it's one of those buffets you have to walk over there and get your food. I'm not sure. We'll find out. Scored. A couple of big tall beers. It took him longer than normal because he's not as pretty as those other girls that were ordering. Okay, so here's a rare opportunity for you. I'm not wearing a hat only because nobody's wearing a hat here except those kind that have the flowers on top. You know, the grass. So if I don't get a grass hat, I'm not wearing a hat. Okay, so scratch that. Other people are wearing hats, so I'm wearing my hat. This hat. Oh my God. Bob Bitchin.
No, it's not your God.
Is not wearing a black shirt.
No.
That is a beautiful shirt.
It has black in it.
It's black in it, so that.
You like it? Here, move.
I do. I like it. Look at that. That looks really. Got a crazy drink, or did Diane get two? You got two drinks?
Yeah.
David just looking at it. You just get to watch it.
I get punched.
You get free. But look at that coconut drink. That's pretty sweet. That was only $79 US.
Yeah.
Only 50,000 francs.
I got to taste this drink when they were cracking it open. 3 of us got milk overs.
Oh yeah. The festivities are getting out of control here. I'm pretty sure there'll be tops coming off soon. So these guys just got some killer drinks too. Bob and Michelle. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hey, I'll show you my dead cat if you'll show me yours.
Paradise. Exactly. How you doing? Welcome to the party.
Oh, that's a little one. That's awesome.
Well, I'm shooting my iPhone tonight, so.
That's awesome.
So here's our spread. This looks freaking amazing. It's a ridiculous amount of stuff. I'm not sure what this is. We'll go and take a peek. Oh, beans. Very beautiful setup. Rice. Fish. There you go. Fish and curry sauce. And then there's all the meat. And it looks like they're going to have a carving station over here too. So, what a very nice set. And here's the dessert table. Looks beautiful. Wow. thanks for watching another episode of My Tour Tales. Wow, that dance group was amazing. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, open roads, open minds. For My Tour Tales, I'm Eric Stone. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching the Golden Grams show. Hey, thanks again for watching thanks again for watching another episode of My Tour Tales. I'm Eric Stone. Hope you enjoyed the song. Hey, thanks again for watching My Tour Tales. I'm Eric Stone. Hope you enjoyed going. No, you didn't go. I went. You didn't.